My African people, I understand that many of us are Christians and we believe in the Bible. Some of us are Muslims and we are reading Quran and all that. But please, never you underrate the power of the gods of the land. Even the Bible said that we should obey the rules and regulations of the land that we are. As Africans, we have cultures and traditions. As I speak to you right now, a boy has been killed by a cow in Ghana. According to a reliable source, they say that the god of the river has been giving him warning that whenever he is driving past that bridge, that he should always horn, blow his up, so that the children, his own children that are playing outside, can quickly run away from the road before he will jump them. But meanwhile, these children, they are spiritual, so you can't see them with your clear eyes. So that is why he has been giving warning that please, because you are not seeing my children, blow your horn so that they will know that you are coming and then they can run away before you will injure one of them. And from a reliable source, I even heard that he mistakenly jumped while his leg. So that he provoked the god of the river. He said in the first warning, he sent a snake to warn him and said, never you try it again and pass here without warning. The boy did not hear what. Why? Because he has strong head. He sent him another warning again. He sent him a man wearing all white. The boy thought it was an angel. He didn't know that it was a one. No, when you are passing my bridge, please blow horn so that my children will run away and not before you jump them. The boy did not hear. The last time the boy was passing the bridge again, he did not blow horn. What is dead horn? Just to horn, pom, 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 pom. In Nigeria, where I come from, we use horn to greet each other. Papa, how are you? Papa, how are your children? Come on to blow horn. The boy did not blow horn. As he was driving, the next thing we heard was the cow picker. The boy that was saying that, so he said, if you see the uppercuts that the cow gave to him, when he gave it, the boy rolled like 4 times in the air. When he was coming there, he was doing peace. But before the peace, he had been pissed out. What I'm trying to say, please, if the God of the land has given an instruction, please obey it. Whether you are a Muslim or you are a Christian, always try to obey the rules and the regulations of the land. Now, he has been killed by a cow. Cow has killed him. May he so rest in peace. Come on to blow one, cannot blow. Ghana, please be preaching your tradition to your young ones so that they will have sense and blow horn next time. Let me go and sleep. My daughter said I'm lucky sleep. I need to sleep 18 hours. I've slept 12, so many 6 hours. Tell me before you go, you use your cow to come and disrupt my sleep.